Get him, Chase. Get Granddaddy.
Okay, go get somebody else.
Oh, they're all getting Nana. Chase, go get Nana. Aunt Kathy, go get Aunt Kathy.
Come here, Chaser.
Get her.
Come on. Come on, Get him. Get Logan. Get him. I'm Jedi.
You're Jedi, me too. I'm Jedi Nana.
I'm so YouTubing this. Jedi Nana.
You're good.
Oh, Chase, gentle. Go, Logan. Go.
You didn't cut it off my wall.
No, I'm hiding behind it.
I'm getting out here because Kathy will start hitting me. Hey, Chase. Chase, Logan, y'all go get the Jedi over here. Come on. Let's go get the Jedi warrior. Go get him. Go get the Jedi warrior. Go. Right there. Go get him. Go get him, Chase. Go get him. He's not fighting back, guys. Sorry.
It's too heavy. It's too heavy for you. Get one of those.
There's one on the ground over there. One of blue one.
Come on.
Pick it up.
You're no challenge. Oh! No. Come on. Come on, girl.
Watch my turn.
Yeah, I'll watch you first for you.
Come on.
Jedi.
Get her, Kathy. Get her. Grace, come on. Come on, Grace. You can do better than that.
I'm too old to be doing this. I know she's special.
Yeah, but she's pushing 50.
Then what does that say about me?
Oh. Chase tried to took you on a minute ago, but you ignored him, so. Hey, Kathy.
Oh, I'm not fighting him. He might fight back. I like the little ones better.
You got to show. Hi.
Hey.
Oh, Chase got me.
Come on.
Look, y'all are fighting the wrong one. Y'all are supposed to be fighting him.
I want to be on the bad team.
That's my
Boom.
Give me win.
Here's my win.
Oh, yeah.
Get him, CJ.
Here's my win. Highness.
Oh, hi, Logan. Boom. Oh, you let me lose.
Ooh, good job, Chase.
No, Jack, you can't dig it up.
You mean Logan knocked it out of your hand? Really?
I didn't mean to.
Really?
I wasn't paying attention.
I'm gonna fight him.
Boom, you're dead. Your arm's cut off.
Yeah.